Hey guys, there are situations when we don't want or shouldn't use our personal or company email addresses to register on certain websites, log into an application, or make purchases online, as we don't want to be spammed with trash emails and offers in our inbox. Also, whether you're involved in reselling services like streaming accounts, online course subscriptions, or downloading documents hosted on servers that only require registration and login, this is what you need: disposable emails. A disposable email is nothing more than a temporary or provisional email address that helps us out when a forum, website, or newsletter asks for an email to access their services or download material. In this case, a good option is TempMail, whose operation is easy and intuitive, so within a few seconds, you can access your fully functional temporary email. Let's see how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. You can use whichever you prefer. Next, in the search bar, type TempMail. Press search and access the first result that the search yields. Once inside the TempMail website, it will automatically generate a temporary email address for you within a few seconds. As you can see, it provides all the tools of a regular email manager like Gmail or Outlook. There's a panel that shows the sender and the subject of the received email. Let's test if it works. I will send a message from my personal Gmail to the new temporary email address generated by TempMail to see if it arrives and displays correctly. In this case, we access our Gmail, compose a new email, paste the address of our temporary email in the recipients to send a message. We add a subject and anything in the body of the message and click Send. Now we go back to TempMail. And this is very important. In the TempMail panel, we click the second button from left to right, the one that says Refresh. You might need to click it more than once. This option forces the system to update the list of received emails in real time. There you go. As you can see, the email we sent from Gmail is here. Notice that it displays correctly, just as we drafted it. We can also permanently delete that temporary email address or change it. To change the email address, you need a premium subscription to TempMail. By changing the address, you will still keep your received emails, but your temporary email will be different. So, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Now you know how to have a temporary email address to avoid spam and those annoying registrations on pages that ask for our personal emails. Thanks for watching.